Hey guys, in today's video I'll show you how you can upload a video directly from Facebook to YouTube. So say there's a video on Facebook that you want to go and upload to your YouTube channel. Here's what you need to do. So first, go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon here, which is next to home, and then here you can go to more, and we're looking for videos, and that's going to load all of the videos of you or the videos that you've uploaded. Now what you would want to do is click on your videos, and here it's going to show you your videos that you own that you can upload to YouTube. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this video here, which is a video of a waterfall that I uploaded a year ago. So this is the video I want to upload to YouTube. Now if I don't have this file anymore on my computer, I can still upload it to YouTube because I've already uploaded it to Facebook. So what I can do is I can go to these three dots here. I can click on them and I can click on download video. What that's going to do is it's going to download that video in an MP4 format, and it's going to download to my downloads folder. Or if you're on Google Chrome like I am, you'll see the download appear down here. Then what you can do is go and open up YouTube. So I'm going to open up YouTube now. You can then click on this button here, which is going to be the create button, and then the upload video button. Now this is only if you're logged into YouTube. So once you've done that, all you need to do is, if you're on Chrome and you see it down here, is drag it in. If not, click select files and just go to your downloads folder. Then you can retitle it, you can give it a description, play around with the tags and publish it to YouTube.